Today I am reviewing the MSI Codex Z2 gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with how it feels to use this machine daily. Boot times are fast in a way that immediately sets the tone. Thanks to the 2TB M.2 NVMe SSD, Windows 11 loads almost instantly. Applications pop open without hesitation, and large games install and launch smoothly. There's no stutter, no awkward waiting, no sense that something is bottlenecking the system. You press the power button, and the system feels ready to go before you even sit down properly. That responsiveness carries through everything from browsing and productivity work to gaming and content creation. The AMD Ryzen 780-700F is a big part of that experience. This CPU feels strong, balanced, and dependable. In gaming, it keeps frame times stable and consistent, which is something a lot of people overlook when they only talk about average FPS. Even in CPU-heavy games or large open-world titles, the gameplay feels smooth, with no strange dips or micro-stutters. Outside of gaming, this processor shines even more. Video editing, compiling code, running multiple applications at once, or juggling dozens of browser tabs all feel effortless. The system doesn't slow down or feel strained, and that's exactly what you want from a modern high-performance desktop. Pairing that processor with 32GB of DDR5 memory is one of the smartest choices MSI made here. This amount of RAM doesn't just help in extreme workloads, it improves the overall feel of the system. Games load faster, background tasks don't interfere with performance, and heavy multitasking becomes a non-issue. You can stream, record gameplay, keep Discord open, and still have plenty of headroom. It's the kind of setup that makes the PC feel future-proof, not just powerful today, but comfortable for years to come. Now let's talk about the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, because this is where the Codex Z2 really steps into serious gaming territory. In actual gameplay, this GPU performs exactly how you'd hope. At 1440p, modern AAA games run smoothly at high or ultra settings, often with room to spare. Ray tracing, which can be brutal on weaker systems, feels genuinely usable here. Lighting, reflections, and shadows look rich and immersive without turning the experience into a slideshow. DLSS support adds even more flexibility, letting you push visual quality higher while maintaining excellent frame rates. What impressed me most is how stable the performance feels. This isn't just about raw numbers, it's about consistency. Long gaming sessions don't lead to sudden drops in performance, and the system doesn't feel like it's constantly fighting heat or power limits. For VR users, this machine feels especially well-suited. Games load quickly, tracking feels responsive, and the overall experience feels fluid and reliable, which is exactly what you want when immersion matters. Thermals are another area where the Codex Z2 deserves real credit. MSI's cooling setup, with multiple system fans and an air cooler, does a solid job of keeping temperatures under control. Even during extended gaming sessions, the system remains stable and doesn't sound like it's about to take off. You can hear the fans when the system is under load, but the noise is controlled and reasonable, not distracting or harsh. This balance between cooling performance and acoustics makes the PC comfortable to use in both gaming and work environments. The case design itself is clean and understated, which I personally see as a plus. It doesn't scream for attention, but it still looks modern and purposeful. The built-in RGB lighting adds some personality without feeling overdone, and the fact that you can control it easily through MSI's software or the LED button is a nice touch. Whether you want a subtle glow or something more vibrant, the system gives you that flexibility without forcing a specific aesthetic on you. Connectivity is another strong point. The inclusion of USB Type-C alongside multiple standard USB ports makes this system feel modern and practical. Plugging in external drives, controllers, VR headsets, or newer peripherals is easy and hassle-free. Everything feels well thought out, from everyday usability to gaming-focused needs. What really stands out about the MSI Codex Z2 is that it feels like a system built with balance in mind. There's no single component that feels like it's carrying the whole machine while others lag behind. The CPU, GPU, memory, and storage all complement each other well, creating a smooth, cohesive experience. This is the kind of PC that you can turn on every day and trust to perform exactly how you expect, whether you're gaming late into the night or working on demanding tasks during the day. After spending time with it, the Codex Z2 leaves the impression of a mature, well-engineered gaming desktop.